Alrighty, in today's lecture, we're going to be doing 6.1, polynomial functions and polynomial inequalities. All right, so the main stuff you need to know is if you see something like this, where it's P of C of a number, some function of C equals 0, that just simply means that when you plug in C, you get 0 as the outcome, and that C would then be a 0. And therefore, then the factor for that polynomial function, one of them would be x minus c. So if P of c equals 0, c then is a 0, and a factor of that polynomial function is x minus c. You can also see this as roots, solutions, and x-intercepts. A polynomial function is written with the highest degree to lowest degree. So what they present to you is like an xn plus an minus 1 times xn minus 1 plus dot, 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 all the way to a1x plus a sub 0, right? Equals 0. So the whole function would equal that. So basically what this means is the highest degree would be first, then the next degree, and so on until you get down to the constant. Then this is called, again, standard form of a polynomial. Then we have what we have called is end behavior. Now, granted, you are allowed a calculator, but again, if you ever get a professor that doesn't allow calculators, I want you to kind of understand this chart a little bit. So end behavior. If the function is, and again, so end behavior with the leading term. We can look at the leading term and know how the function starts and ends. So if a of n, or yeah, we'll go a of n, also known as the coefficient, is positive, and the n, or the degree, is even, meaning you get something like potentially a 2x squared or something, the function will start up and finish up. So the way we would write that is as x goes towards negative infinity, which is the left, f of x will go towards positive infinity, or what we call up. On the flip side, where I need more room than this, on the flip side, if x approaches positive infinity, meaning it goes to the right, EF of x is still going towards positive infinity, which is up. If the n is odd, then it will resemble this. Let's try that again, try and give myself plenty of room. So meaning, again, now as x goes to the left, f of x will now go down towards negative infinity. And as x goes to the right, f of x will then go up as well. Now, if the coefficient is negative, then the function will resemble this. So as I go to the left, f of x will go down. So this is left and down. And as x goes to the right, the f of x will also be going to negative infinity. which is down. If it is a odd and negative, the function will look like this. So as x approaches negative infinity, or the left, the f of x will be approaching positive infinity, or up. As x approaches positive infinity, or the right, the f of x